Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Apalachicola, a charming coastal town in northwestern Florida. Nestled at the mouth of the Apalachicola River, this historic community offers a rich blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Apalachicola's history dates back to the early 19th century. Originally known as Cottonton, it was incorporated as West Point in 1827 and later renamed Apalachicola in 1831. The town quickly grew into a bustling port, becoming the third largest on the Gulf of Mexico by the mid-1800s. Steamboats laden with cotton would arrive from upriver, unloading their cargo onto the docks that once lined the waterfront. The name Apalachicola is believed to combine the Hichiti words Apalachi, meaning on the other side, and Oakley, meaning people. Some locals also interpret it as the land of the friendly people, a nod to the native Apalachicola tribe who once inhabited the area. The town's economy has long been tied to the sea. Apalachicola Bay, protected by barrier islands like St. George Island, has been a vital source of seafood, particularly oysters. At one time, more than 90% of Florida's oysters came from these waters. Nature enthusiasts will appreciate the Apalachicola National Estuarine Research Reserve, encompassing over 246,000 acres of diverse habitats. This area is recognized for its rich biodiversity, including the highest density of amphibians and reptiles in North America. As you explore Apalachicola, you'll notice well-preserved historic buildings, such as the Trinity Episcopal Church, established in 1837, and the Gibson Inn, dating back to 1907. These landmarks reflect the town's enduring architectural heritage. Today, Apalachicola maintains its small-town charm while embracing its rich history and natural surroundings. Whether you're strolling through the historic district or enjoying fresh seafood by the bay, this quaint town offers a unique glimpse into Florida's past and present.
Thanks for watching!